Hi, my name is Allie Cassis, and I'm the VP of Customer Success here at Digioh. Welcome to the How to Create Your Own Quiz series. In this series, you'll learn about the best practices and how to use the Digioh tool to create a quiz on your own. In this first section, I want to start with how to prepare for setting up your quiz before we get into the tool. You're going to want to first start with establishing your why. I'm going to walk you through a couple of reasons of why you should do a quiz, starting with personalization. A well-crafted quiz allows you to tailor recommendations based on individual preferences, creating a personalized shopping experience for your end user. Take an example here from Ronavat. They're using their brand voice to start a conversation and create a continued personalization by capturing the customer's first name. They can then utilize the first name to create a really personalized experience later on. You can also ask different questions where you can follow up on these different traits so you can personally connect with your customers. The next reason to do a quiz is increased engagement. Quizzes are inherently interactive and can captivate your audience's attention. This is going to encourage them to spend more and more time on your website. Quizzes are engaging and interactive way for customers to interact with your brand, making the shopping experience more enjoyable and memorable. Providing a personalized and engaging experience can enhance customer loyalty, encouraging repeat purchases, and fostering long-term relationships. Take an example here with Andy Swim. Their quiz is very playful, and it asks different questions like, what's in your beach bag? And this is going to get people to come back more and more to take the quiz over and over just because they enjoy the experience. Next, of course, is data collection. Through thoughtful quiz questions, you can gather really valuable insights into your audience's preferences, behavior, helping you make more informed decisions for your product offering. Quizzes provide valuable data on customer preferences, behaviors, and demographics. This information can be used to refine your product offerings, market strategies, and overall business decisions. Understanding customer responses can help identify trends and patterns, allowing your brand to anticipate and meet future customer needs more effectively. Here's an example from Baskin Lather. I love how they're adding this personal touch to get your customized regimen. By collecting both email and SMS, you'll be able to nurture these customers afterwards to help increase overall conversion by personally segmenting and targeting based on the data that you're collecting during the quiz. Next is product education. Quizzes can educate customers about the benefits and features of different products, helping them make informed decisions. By addressing common concerns and questions through the quiz, brands like you can overcome potential barriers to purchase. I love this example from Pvolve. They're educating their customers on what is functional fitness. And last but certainly not least is conversion boost. Personalized recommendations increase the likelihood of converting potential customers into satisfied customers. Quizzes can guide customers through the product selection process, reducing decision fatigue and making it easier for them to find what they need, which can boost conversion rates. The data collected from quizzes can be used to create more targeted marketing and further increasing the chances of conversion. By presenting them with products that align with their needs and desires, you can expect to see a 3 to 5 boost in your overall conversions. Here is a real-life look at one of our Digioh customers who is seeing massive results with their quiz. Okay, now let's chat through some best practices for your quiz. So first, you're going to want to define your objective. Clearly outline the goal of your quiz, whether it's to drive sales, gather data, or enhance user experience. A well-defined objective will guide your question selection and overall design. Next, understand your audience. Tailor your questions to your target audience. Consider their demographic, interests, and pain points. The more relevant your questions, the more accurate and beneficial the recommendations will be. Next, keep it simple. Aim for a very user-friendly experience and ensure the quiz is easy to navigate and the questions are clear and concise. You want to avoid overwhelming users with too many questions. We think around 6 to 8 is the right balance. Next, you want to balance fun and insightful questions. Mix in entertaining and lighthearted questions with more of those data-driven inquiries. This keeps users engaged while also providing you with the information needed to make accurate recommendations. Next, utilize visuals. Incorporating images or visuals related to your products. This is not only going to enhance the user experience, but also aids in showcasing the recommended items effectively. And again, last but very not least, test and iterate. After launching your quiz, monitor its performance and gather feedback. Use this information to make improvements and refine your quiz for better results. All right. This is a very important one. Keep the customer first. We like to refer to a quiz as guided selling. Think about how your customer would shop in your store before the data that you want to collect. You don't want to walk in a store and immediately be asked what your age or something a little bit more personal. So think about some balanced ways to ask them some fun and entertaining ways to get them through the quiz. Keep it short and sweet. Again, we recommend the shorter the better to deliver higher completion and conversion rates. 6 questions is usually around the sweet spot, but definitely no more than 8 is highly recommended. This is also very important. Before you get into the Qwizard, make sure you map out your quiz. You want to make sure you have this all mapped out so you know how the flow is going to go before you're in the Qwizard making those decisions. We recommend utilizing tools like Figma or Whimsical to go ahead and do this ahead of time. Next, do your research. Check out some of our high-performing quizzes on our website utilizing the 61 quizzes that convert. And just a quick little best practice, upload your images and custom fonts before you get started. Having all of your images and custom fonts ready in your account will save you some time later. And lastly here to establish if you want a splash page. A splash page is a way that you can actually give some customers some more information before they hop directly into the quiz. So how do you get ready? Like Dollar Shave Club is asking them here. Or maybe you want to ask them a little bit, or maybe you want to provide them with a little bit more information about what the quiz is going to deliver. Or if you want to get them directly into the quiz, keep it short and sweet, you can go directly in like Death Wish Coffee here. All right, part 2. We're going to go through the Qwizard. Thank you.